Okay, so here we are, the three bikes. This is the red bike. He's got about 10,000 miles, a little over 10. This is the yellow bike I'm having trouble with. He's got like 5,000 miles. I don't know if you can see that. And this is my baby here. This is the good bike. This has got about 800 miles, so this is good. So what I'm going to try to show you now is that on the new bike, if we do this, and then brake. Now, on the yellow bike, it's got a little more of a wobble to it. Try that. But you don't hear any noise. Now, I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to ride it. As soon as I ride it, you're going to begin hearing this click, and I'm going to try to get it as best I can. So that's, if you pick it up, I'm going to go and see if we picked up the sound, but that's kind of where we're at right now. So I'm kind of hoping that, what I was hoping for actually, is this as simple as an axle bearing. So if you took out this axle, inside, is there a bearing that can be replaced, or does this whole thing have to be replaced? Either way, I'm okay with it, but I just thought that I'd give you guys a chance to take a look at it here. It's me. Like I say, I love the bikes. I've got 3 of them, and it all seems to be working out pretty good. And I've dealt with you guys in the past, and I'm pretty happy with the advice I've gotten. And if it turns out that I got to replace the back, then so be it. Just try to give me a number on that, and then I'll have my boys at Sea Green put it in. Okay? Bye.